Big news for the royal family. Prince Andrew is in trouble again. Who is in trouble? He was arrested in England. Where was Prince Andrew arrested? The royal family is shocked. How does the royal family feel? They wanted to move on. What did the family want to do? His scandal is still a big problem. Is the scandal over? Let's learn 5 new words. Arrest. Taking someone by police. Prince. A son of a king or queen. Royal. Relating to a king or queen. Scandal. An event causing shock or shame. Family. A group of related people. Where was Prince Andrew arrested? How does the royal family feel? Is the scandal over?